Okay, let's get on to this piece of awesome right here. Now, I put that thingy back up there. I found that there was this really ornate kind of like twine sort of thingy on here, and that copper wiring stuff was wrapped around it. It wasn't used to support it or anything. It was just this ornate sort of stuff, and it looked really nice, but it just sort of fell away it just broke apart and fell away because it was just really crazy old. And as some of you may discover, may know, this awesome gong up here has that copper wiring that was wrapped around that ornatey thing there. So that in whom may wonder why that has that copper wiring thing there might be like, why is that? Well, we know. And that vase knows too, don't you? Better stand him up. You'll be alright, mate. There you go. Alright then. Now, I did plan on doing something with that at some stage. Oh yeah. Isn't that cool? That gong and this awesome old school antique striker which came with it. Is that leather? Is that thing there? Yeah, these are really old. Yeah, that's just crazy old. And all rusty and just old. And as I was about to say, yeah, I'd love to see that in like a karate dojo or something. And I don't know if you want to keep that copper wiring on there. If you really want to strike it hard, it's sort of scratched a little bit, I guess. Maybe put, unless you put a little bit of felt on there where it's like right there, so it doesn't sort of scratchy a bit. But I reckon it's cool to have that from that, and just cool, good story. Yeah, cool. Alright, I'll have to measure it up and all that in a mini poos. Now, this awesome piece down here. Now the kanji tells us, let's see, right here, there's kanji in here and kanji here. And I wrote that down, what my friend said the other day, on this phony notey thing. Right, where is that? Aha, it says, Gokujo. Now, when I asked my friend what does Gokujo mean, that's that one there, and this here means dragon. This in here. And he said extreme top. That was his translation. I said, what you mean, like top class? And he goes, yeah. That's the exact. So his translation was extreme top, meaning top class. Which is, this bell has been made by a top maker, so it's really good. Now, it's not so old, it's probably 1970s or something, judging by the stand itself. It's got a gorgeous, this is just gorgeous. I mean, it's definitely worth what I'm asking for it. You get this awesome striker and this nice stand too, that's all wood and beautiful. This is good. And this here, you know, it might I don't know, maybe that's just wear. I think it's the original, it's just being worn there. So yeah, probably 1960s, 1970s or something like that, just judging by these fasteners here. So that's the only thing I could really judge from it. The sound is tremendous. And oh, you will receive this beautiful stuff that I am running out of this stuff, so you are very lucky to receive this. Excellent. Best incense you can get. You find that at Shinto shrines and Buddhist temples. That's the good stuff. Expensive. And that's why I make the rolls. That's like a third of a roll because I'm running out. Alright, check this out. when my camera... I mean, I know if I strike it with this camera really close, it just goes bananas. Oh, that's gorgeous. This is great. No, there's no cracks or anything. These are just like age lines and scars and a few scratches. It's a very, very light scratches on it. See, very light scratches, and just it's been around a while. Oh man, I'm gonna strike that again. I should keep this. I should keep it. You know what? Alright, I'm listing it now, but okay, I'm listing it, so it's the right thing to do. But I want this. Oh, this is... Oh, that's a good one. No wonder it's top class. Okay, this is going to be more expensive. So if you don't buy it, guess who gets it? See here, you strike with this sort of extra bit here. It's got just a little bit extra cushioning. Maybe you just like this one. Yeah, maybe you could just have that one and you'll be all happy and that'll be good. And maybe that could go to someone else. Oh yes, you prefer that. In fact, you might just want this one. Maybe I could find another one for you that you might want instead. Conscience is being stressed right now. Oh, I've got to have another one around somewhere. Conscience is being stressed. Must do the right thing. If I don't do the right thing, then the world will go to shit, won't it? Yeah, imagine if everyone just did what I did. Had to follow the path of honour, Bushido, just honesty and good and beauty. Imagine what kind of a world we would have. Oh, that's nice. I was going to put a price of 180 on it. See the difference between when I tapped it here and then tapped it here with that slight bit of extra cushioning. If I can just get it right. Oh my. Alright, well 200 is fair. Very, very, very fair. Okay. But I did say I was going to put it up for 180, didn't I? The conscious one. I'm an idiot, that's what I am. Alright, 180. It's at 180. Okay, so you get this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. And I don't. I get that. Well, this ain't bad. Oh, nice. Okay. Right, now I'm going to get on a few other things. Got a whole bunch of stuff that needs to be listed today.